Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a haul video for you guys. It's everything that I purchased from the new Hello Bluebird release, and I also have an announcement that I'll get to in a little bit. First, I just want to say, if I sound a little weird, it's because I'm really sick. I've been sick with a terrible cold for a week now, and oh my gosh, it's just been wreaking havoc on my schedule. But anyway, I hope to be back with card content for you guys soon. I'm actually going to have to do my Lawn Fawn new release haul for my video on Monday, just so you know, because I am so sick. I just have not been able to film a video. So I'm gonna have a haul today and a haul on Monday. And then next Friday, I should be back to cards. If you're missing one today, I do have a card video on the My Favorite Things YouTube channel. It's my monthly Christy Gets Crafty with My Favorite Things video. So if you want a card making video from me today, or if you just want to show your support, go ahead and hop over to that channel. I'll leave a link down below. Give it a watch, and if you can leave me a comment and give the video a thumbs up, that means so much to me because it lets my MFT know that I'm doing a good job. So anyway, I'm going to get into this haul because I know you guys are probably really excited to see what I got, and it is a lot. I'm going to just go ahead and set everything off to the side. We'll go through things one by one, but I do want to say I have never ever in my lifetime, at least as far as I can remember, ever bought an entire new release before. That changes today. I fell in love with every single thing that was in this release. I couldn't pick one thing not to get. I needed everything. I don't know. I love Hello Bluebird so much, and everything they came out with this release was just incredible, and I had to have it all. But anyway, I'm going to share it all with you because I know you guys are probably as excited to see this stuff in person as I am. The first set that I got was this one here. It's called Singing in the Rain. This one was free with, I believe, $100 purchase. Was that right? Maybe it was, I think it was $100 purchase, and you just had to put in a little code to get it. And it's just so cute with these two little girls. I love her expression with her arm thrown out, and I love her hair over here. I think that's going to be super fun to color. And then you've got all of these little ducklings and the clouds and some really great sentiments. I did purchase the matching dies. They were sold separately, but I went ahead and got them because I knew I'd want to use this and have the dies. So there's number one. Second one I got is so super cute. I mean, they're all so super cute, but this one was a favorite, and it is called Bloom and Grow, and you've got all of these little gardening critters and a few little insects as well. There's a really adorable bee right there, and a little worm. There's some butterflies and all these little pots and things. I love to garden. I'm still relatively new to it. I've only been doing it for the last few years, but I really enjoy it, and so this was right up my alley. I cannot wait to play with this set. And I really do love this sentiment here. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. I feel like that's just so hopeful. And we need a lot of hope right now in our world. So I really like that. I did get the matching dies. And then the next set that I got were these adorable little word buddies. This is the Jungle Edition. There's two editions. I'll get to the other one next, but these guys are just so cute. I love these little lions. The monkeys are so sweet. Look at this one with his hands up to his mouth. So cute. There's a elephant, a toucan, there's some sloths, the koalas, and then my favorite in this whole set is this gorilla. I'm not even like a huge gorilla fan, but for some reason the expression on his face is so freaking adorable. I just love him so, so, so much. The minute that I saw him, I actually squealed out loud when they were doing like the sneak peeks. Because he's just so cute. I cannot wait to use these guys on some cards. I did get the matching dies. And then, like I said, the other one is the Word Buddies Woodland. So this one is a taller set as compared to the regular size set. So you get lots more critters. Look at the squirrel. I love him so much. I love all of these guys. This little bear is darling. Super cute. You've got bunnies and raccoons and foxes. Oh my gosh. They knocked this release out of the park. I'm telling you guys. It was perfect for me. Like, I was just obsessed with every single thing. When the releases, the sneak peeks start coming out, I'm always like, okay, what can I live without? What can I live without? Because I can't buy everything. And this time I was just like, there's nothing. There's nothing. I need it all. And I'm not like a full set syndrome kind of girl. Like, I do not need all the things. I really don't. I get overwhelmed with all the things. I would rather have just a few things that I really love than to have way too much and then get overwhelmed and not know what to use. But there was no overwhelm with this one. I will use all of this stuff. I really will, because I just adore it all. Okay, so next up is another one of my favorites. It's Pig Out, which I think is so adorable because all these pigs are coming out to play and they've got a few little friends. I love this image so much. The picnic basket. I really, really love like little picnic scenes, and I'm always so excited when I see like little things that you could use for a picnic. So I love that you've got strawberries, there's some bread, that could be a peach or an apple or an orange, whatever you want it to be. There's a little pitcher and a plate and a cup. And I think this would work really well with the strawberry jam set, because there you have like the picnic blanket, and you have some other images as well that I think these will just like work really, really well with. And I love them. I think you guys, if you've been following me for a long time, you know that my husband really loves pigs, and so I've kind of like decided that I don't like pigs at all, just to kind of be a little bit contrary, because he always jokes about getting a pig like in the house. And I'm not talking a little pet pot-belly pig. He wants a full-grown 500+ pound sow in the house because he thinks they make excellent watchdogs. And I know like he wouldn't really do that, like he just does it to like make me crazy, but it's kind of like a joke between us. He loves pigs, I don't. But when it comes to Hello Bluebird pigs, I adore them. They are just so, so darling, and don't tell my husband I said that, but they are so cute, and I can't wait to color these guys in. I did get the matching dies as well. Okay, we are getting at least halfway through. So the next one is Flying High. This is another one of my huge favorites. I mean, it's so hard to pick from this release, but I really, really love this hot air balloon. It's really nice size. I mean, let's take a standard size card here. This is an A2 card. That is almost the entire card front. It's a really nice size image. And then you've got a couple little clusters of critters that you can put inside. I just think it's so clever and cute. I've never seen a stamp set. I mean, I've seen other hot air balloon sets and critters you could put in them, but they're always like super tiny critters. And, you know, if you're someone who absolutely adores coloring like me, I get so excited about these larger, more detailed images because it just is so much fun to blend and shade and color these guys up. So I'm super excited to play with this. I love all the little accessories for either the basket or the balloon, and you've got some really cute little birds and some great sentiments. So I'm really, really excited about this one as well. I'm going to say that about all of them. I'm sorry. I just really am excited. And let's see. The next one is Rain or Shine. This is the last stamp set from the new release. There are no more because I bought them all, like I said, but these guys are really, really cute as well with their little umbrellas. It gives you so much opportunity for color, splashes of color on the card. Plus you can do like really moody backgrounds, which I love because I'm just a huge lover of rain. Rain is like my favorite weather. I just love the rain so much, and the smell of the rain and the smell of the flowers after it rains, and I love rain. It's, you know, perfect opportunity to sit inside and read or write or craft. But anyway, these are just really, really adorable critters. I love the little kitty. That's a fun one in there. And then you've got two bunnies, a fox, a squirrel, a bear, and then a little goose with his rain boots, which is so cute. I did get the matching dies as well. So the next die that I got was the large You Make Me Smile word die. I think this is going to be super fun. Again, this is a nice big size, so really takes up a lot of room on your card, and it'll be really fun to use those, the word buddies. Those will be so fun to use with that. I'm sure you guys have seen samples with this, but you know, you can put the little critters in the O or hanging off the Y or the U or wherever. Replace a letter with them. The I is a good one for like a skinny critter like that goose or something. Or you can also do it in this orientation. It does just barely fit on the front of the card, so that's probably an option as well. The actual die part is a little bit shorter, so I do think it would fit. But anyway, that one's going to be fun to play with. And then along with that, I did get the Jane Small Alpha. The only other alphabet die set that I have is from Lawn Fawn. I think it's Quinn's ABCs. This is much smaller, and I really like that because it just gives you more options, because it doesn't take up quite as much room on a card. So, you know, I like to fill my cards with the critters that I colored, and then the sentiment, you know, I would rather have it be a little on the smaller side just so I have more room. But, you know, it depends. The big sentiments are fun too because they're great for quick cards and you don't have to do as much coloring, or you can use up some images you might have already colored or something like that. The next die that I got was the new gallery frame. I believe this one is 6. So I really like these gallery frames because you get a lot of options with them. There's always the outer part, and then there's the inner part that is separate, so you can use it together, or you could remove it and just use the outer part, or just use the inner part. Plus they always fill the little negative spaces with some extra things, so you've got these really great scripty font words. There's hello, love, and congrats. So these are really fun to use, and I love the little cross-stitch detail that's on the outside edge. So that one's going to be really fun to use and a great staple in your stash. I also got the Partly Cloudy die, which die cuts just the outlines of these really cute little clouds, and then you can either use the frame, or you could use the negative spaces, or you can mix and match and kind of build a background and fill it all in. It really gives you a lot of options as well. And this I thought would be just really fun with a number of the sets that were released this time, and then also some of the older sets, like there's the one, I don't have it, but the one with the planes and the little critters that are flying the airplanes. That one would be really fun on this background as well. So I thought that would be awesome to have, and just really creative, different kind of look, you know, that you're not used to seeing. And then I also got this one. Okay, this one is the Summer Woods Scene die. So this one is a slimline card, and you've got, you know, all of these little bushes and the trees. You could do this in so many different colors. You could do it in different cardstocks. You could ink blend. You could do it with Copics, whatever you want to do, and you can do it for, you know, all different seasons, which I think is really great. So really excited to play with this one and create some scenes. So that actually was the entire new release, and I did pick up 2 more things that were older. So this one is the Rainbow Script. And I thought I had this one in my stash, but when I went to look at my stamp sets from Hello Bluebird, I did not have this one. And I thought this would be really, really great for a few of the sets, like the Rain or Shine, also the freebie, the Singing in the Rain, this one here. This one has a few sentiments, this one doesn't, but I thought that this would be fun to have. Also to use on the insides of cards, because I do have the other two Rainy Day stamp sets from Hello Bluebird, the Puddle Play, and oh, I can't think of the other one. The one is with elephants, and the other one has the little girls. I can't think of the name of it, but anyway, I thought this would be great to use with those as well because I really love those stamp sets. So I thought that would be a good one to have. And then also the After the Rain seam die. This one has been out for a while, but I just never picked it up. I've had it in my cart so many times and then ended up taking it out to get something else. But anyway, I thought this would be really fun to use with some of those stamp sets as well. You know, there's just gives you that many more options for backgrounds. So anyway, that is my whole haul. So I did want to just get to my announcement. So as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Hello Bluebird. And after I posted my Anne of Green Gables card recently, it was last Friday, I believe, Hello Bluebird actually reached out to me and asked me to be on their design team. So at first I wasn't quite sure because it is a lot of work and I've been trying to cut back a little bit on some of the work and things, but I just could not say no. This is a huge opportunity for me to work with a company that I absolutely love and believe in, and I couldn't say no. So as of June 1st, I will officially be a part of the Hello Bluebird design team. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be creating even more Hello Bluebird content for you guys, and I hope you're going to be really excited about it because I am super stoked about it. So that is my entire haul and my really exciting news, and I hope you guys are excited too. I'm going to let you guys go and try to get a little bit more rest today. It's been really hard to try to get through this video without coughing and sneezing, so I'm going to try to get better because I do have to film a Lawn Fawn video tomorrow for next week. So I hope you guys are having a great day and that you're all staying healthy and strong, and I'll see you guys real soon. Okay, bye-bye.